Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard, as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's start the class. In today's class we will do question number 3 of exercise 3.1 from chapter number 3, which is playing with numbers, from 6th class maths NCERT book. Now let us read what is this question. Match the items in column 1 with items in column B. In column 1 some items are given, okay, 35, 15, 16, 20 and 25. These numbers are given in column A, and in column 2 we have been given some statements, okay. So A, B, C, D, it is written multiple of 8, multiple of 7, multiple of 70, factor of 30, factor of 50 and factor of 20. So what we have to do, we have to match the items in column A, column 1, with the items in column 2, with the items in column 2. The items of column 1 should have a match with the item of column 2. Okay, so we have to see that which item matches with which of the items of column 2. This one should match with one of the items of column 2. This also should match with one of the items of column 2. This should also match with one of the items of column 2. Okay, one of the items. This also should match with one of the items of this column 2. So let us see which item matches with which one. Okay, so we will do the solution here. Solution of this question. 35. Is it a multiple of 8? Means 8 ones are, 8 twos are. So in 8 table, does 35 comes? No, 35 does not come in 8's table. So it is not a multiple of 8, right? See, multiple of 8 means 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So these 8, 16 and 8 threes are, it will be 24. So these are the multiples of 8. So is 35 a multiple of 8? No, 35 is not a multiple of 8 because 35 does not come in 8's table. Okay, so 1 is not the option. A is not going to match with this one. So let us check with this. 35 multiple of 7. Is 35 a multiple of 7? Yes. Let us check how. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. Yes, 35 is a multiple of 7 because 35 comes in 7's table. So 35 is a multiple of 7. Okay, the fifth multiple of 7 is 35. Yes, it means that this item of column 1 matches with this item of column 2. Okay, so 1 matches with B. Okay, now let us see 15 matches with which of this item? 15, is it a multiple of 8? No, 15 does not comes in 8 table, so it does not match with this. 15 multiple of 7, is 15 a multiple of 7? Does it come in 7's table? No, it does not comes because 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. See, some of you might be understanding and you can do it very quickly, but some of you will not need some more explanation. So I am explaining it so that you can understand it better and remember it forever. So 15 is not a multiple of 7. See, 7 twos are 14 and 7 threes are 21. So 15 is not going to come in 7's table. So 15 is not a multiple of 15 is not a multiple of 7, right? So this is not going to be the option for 15. Now multiple of 70. 15 is a multiple of 70? No. Multiples are, see, multiples of 70 means multiples of 70 will be the numbers greater than 70, because see, 71s are 70, 72s are 140. Okay, so the multiples of any number is greater than the number. The multiples of a number is the number itself and the numbers greater than that number. These are the multiples of 7. So these numbers are greater than 7 or equal to 7. So 15 cannot be the multiple of 70, because a multiple of 70 should be either 70 or the numbers greater than 70. So this is also not going to be the option for this. Now 15, factor of 30. Let us check whether 15 is a factor of 30 or not. Factor of 30 means, see, 15 2s are 30. So 30 can be expressed as 15 multiplied by 2. It means 15 is a factor of 30. Understood? Factors of 30 are 15 and 2. Other factors of 30 are also there, but we have seen that 30 can be expressed as 15 multiplied by 2. It means 15 and 2 are the factors of 30. So 15 is a factor of 30. So what we can write? We can write it as 2 matches with the option D. See, item in column 1 matches with the item in column 2. 15 is a factor of 30. Understood? Now let us come to this 16. So we will check one by one from A. 16, multiple of 8. Is it a multiple of 8? Yes, obviously it is a multiple of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So the first multiple of 8 is 8 and 8 twos are 16. 16 is the second multiple of 8. It means 16 is a multiple of 8 because 16 comes in 8 table. So 16 is a multiple of 8. It means this item in column A in column 1 matches with the item in column 2. So this matches with this. 16 is a multiple of 8. Okay, now let us see for this item 4. In 4, which number is there? 20. Is it a multiple of 8? No. 20 is not a multiple of 8 because 20 does not come in 8's table. Okay, so 20 is not a multiple of 8. So this option will not be there. 20, multiple of 7. Is it a multiple of 7? No, it's not a multiple of 7 because 20 does not come in 7's table. Okay, you all know the tables, and okay, so you can do it like that also. 20, multiple of 70. No, 20 is not a multiple of 70 because the multiples are always greater than the number. See, what are the multiples of 2? The multiples of 2 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. I am taking it the small example so that you can understand it. Okay, 2 4s are 8. So these all and many others, this list will be endless. Okay, there can be many multiples of 2. So these all are multiples of 2. Okay, so what we have seen, the multiples are the multiples of any number is the same number or the number greater than that number. See, the multiples of 2 are 2 4 6 8. So the multiples are the numbers greater than 2 and the 2 itself. So 20 cannot be the multiple of 70 because 20 is smaller than 70. So the multiples of 70 will be either 70 or the numbers greater than 70. So 20 will not be the multiple of 70. Now let us check whether 20 is a factor of 30 or not. Means this matches with this or not. So what is that? 20 is a factor of 30 or not. Let us check. So 20 will be a factor of 30 if 30 is completely divisible by 20. Let us check whether 30 is completely divisible by 20. See, 20 ones are 20, the remainder is 10. It means 30 is not completely divisible by 20. So we can say that 20 is not a factor of 30. Means this will not match with this one, right? So we have to check for the next option. So 20, is it a factor of 50? How 20 will be a factor of 50? If 50 is completely divisible by 20, then only 20 will be a factor of 50. So let us check. 20 2s are 40, 10 will be the remainder. Okay, there remains a remainder. It means 50 is not completely divisible by 20. So 20 is not a factor of 50. Okay, so we will not, this will not match with this. So only this option remains. Let us check whether 20 is a factor of 20 or not. 20 will be a factor of 20 if this 20 is completely divisible by 20. So yes, it is 20 ones are 20, the remainder is 0. It means this is completely divisible by this, because the remainder is 0, means it is completely divisible by this. Okay, so 20 is a factor of 20, right? See, 20 can be written as 20 into 1. It means 20 and 1 both are factors of 20, right? So 20 is a factor of 20. So 4 matches with F. We will write it 4 matches with F. 20 is a factor of 20. Now we will see for this 25. Is it a multiple of 8? No. 25 is not a multiple of 8 because 25 doesn't comes in 8's table, right? Now 25, is it a multiple of 7? No, 25 is not a multiple of 7 because 25 does not come in 7's table. Now 25, is it a multiple of 70? No, 25 cannot be a multiple of 70 because multiples of a number are greater than the number or equal to the number. See, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. So the multiples of 4 are the numbers greater than 4 and equal to 4. Okay, so multiples of a number are always greater than the number and equal to the number. So 25 is smaller than 70. So 25 cannot be a multiple of 70. Multiple of 70 will be a number greater than 70 and equal to 70. So this will not match with this one. Now 25, is it a factor of 30? Let us check. 25 will be a factor of 30 if 30 is completely divisible by 25. So let us check 35, is it completely divisible by 25? 25 ones are 25, 5 is the remainder. It means 30 is not completely divisible by 25 because there remains a remainder. When there is no remainder, it means the number is exactly divisible by this divisor. Okay, here there is some remainder. It means this number is not completely divisible by this. So 25 will not be a factor of 30. Okay, now let us check for the next option. 25, is it a factor of 50? 25 will be a factor of 50 if 50 is completely divisible by 25. So 25 2s are 50, the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, it means this number is completely divisible by this. So this is the factor of this number, right? So 25 is a factor of 50. Okay, so this matches with this one. 5 matches with E. 25 is a factor of 50. How? We can see like this also. 50 can be represented as 25 into 2. It means 25 and 2 both are factors of 50. Okay. Other factors of 50 are also there, but here we need only 25. We have to check for 25. So we will see, we will do like this. 25 2s are 50. It means both are factors of 50. So we got our answer. Understood? In next class, we will do question number 4 of the same exercise 3.1 from chapter Playing with Numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.